Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me. Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a modern day legend. Second generation Rolex Oyster Perpetual Sky-Dweller. This is the 336935, a model that launched in 2023. It's got a dial that's best described as a bit of a chameleon, somewhere between green and blue. I see both, sometimes simultaneously, sometimes individually, but it is nothing if not dynamic. In Ever Rose Red Gold, the watch is 42 millimeters in diameter. I measure it 13.9 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip. Just the case, 50.6 millimeters. If we had the solid end links of the oyster bracelet, then the total distance across the wrist is 52.4, and it's got a 22 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll open up the clasp here, and you can see it's a spring-loaded system with a beak and a hook. It's a lift lock mechanism, so you actually have to lift this to unlock it. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. Maybe pull back the glove a little bit so you get a better sense of how it fits on an actual human wrist. You can see it wears nicely. It's a big watch. There's no getting around that. Sky-Dwellers, particularly on bracelets, have a lot of presence. They're not super thick, and you can see it does actually feature a sloped bezel. It nestles down a little bit lower than its actual thickness, so this is surprisingly compatible with a cuff. I'd say if your wrist is my size or larger, you're going to wear this just fine. Let's say 16 centimeters circumference, which is what you see, and up. It's massive too. You can see the size, you can't see the weight. And the mass of this watch on my scale, 245.77 grams, well over half a pound. You don't forget it's there. It's significant. Taking a look at the bracelet, it's the Oyster style 3-link. It's got a conforming end link, polished centers, polished outer faces, satin shoulders. It tapers down towards the clasp. You can see the clasp internal, nicely polished. Taking a look at the links themselves, you can see that they're fixed in place using screws. So you can use your jeweler's screwdriver to size this. We've got a 5 millimeter tool-free, snap in, snap out, easy link adjustment. And then if you look inside, you can see that there are these little divots drilled in the clasp, 3 of them. So by dismounting the spring bar, you can change the anchoring point in and out to fine-tune the fit. We have Ever Rose Red Gold. What makes it Ever Rosy? Well, it's red because of the high copper content. Don't mistake it for pink. Don't mistake it for rose. It is red. And then a high percentage of palladium ensures it will be forever rosy, ever rose, not fading to rose or pink, but intense forever. Screw down crown. You can see 2 dots. That means a twin lock crown in gold. It's got an oyster case back, 100 meters water resistant. Fluted bezel. For eons at Rolex, that has been your sign that the bezel, at the very least, is made of precious metal, and here so too is everyone else. You can see all these other pieces made of Ever Rose Red Gold. Taking a look at the dial, we have matching red gold Rolex crown, hands, and indices. And you can see this is the second generation watch. The easiest way to tell is if you look at the index at 6 o'clock, you see those 2 little flanking Rolex crowns at the base. That's how you know you're looking at the second generation, 2023 to present Rolex Sky-Dweller. Okay, lume. There's no shortage of it. This dial variant came out in 2017 and immediately made the watch more legible and sportier. You've got a lot more lume. You can see chromolite blue Rolex lume. It does a great job of holding its intensity from dusk till dawn. We've got a second time zone. You can see this little off-centered wheel with 24 hours on it. That's your second time zone. It is the reference time, the time where you are not. Inside the case, we have the updated caliber 9002. Very similar to the prior 9001. The main difference is the use of the chronergy escapement, which is higher efficiency, potentially better chronometry, liga-formed metal microstructure, very difficult to do with machining, probably impossible with anything short of liga, which is a sort of galvanic lithography that builds these metal microstructures up from bare elements. Also, it's got a new rotor. The rotor design itself is different, and so is the ball bearing. The ball bearing going to the multiplicity of small ceramic bearings that many are using today for greater winding efficiency and reduced friction. Those are the primary changes from the reference 9001. What stays? The technical specs, the old 9001. Bidirectional automatic winder, 40 joules, 4 hertz beat rate, 72-hour power reserve, features stop seconds, a bidirectional quickset system for the date and the month. This is an annual calendar, so only one correction is necessary annually during the jump from February to March. We also have 2 time zones, the local 12-hour time zone and the remote 24-hour time zone. You can set them independently. It has a Breguet overcoil hairspring for concentric breathing and thus very consistent timekeeping in any physical orientation with respect to gravity. And that overcoil is made of a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy Rolex calls Parachrome Blue, which is intensely anti-magnetic. And then it's got a full balance bridge and a free-sprung balance. The free-sprung balance making it both more shock-resistant and easier to set precisely by the Rolex watchmaker, and the full balance bridge better bracing it against the shock of daily trials on the wrist. Now, the watch is a superlative chronometer, which means as a fully assembled watch, not as a bare movement. The COSC is bare movement. This meets the COSC standards. But then as a fully cased up watch, fully assembled, it runs no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours, hence superlative chronometer. In terms of how it works, very simple. Screw out the crown. If the bezel, which is part of the movement, it's called ring command, is justified all the way clockwise, then you wind in the first position. But when you pull the crown out, nothing happens. Now turn 1 click counterclockwise, watch the date, see how I'm able to move the date forward or backwards? Bidirectional quickset. No danger zone, you can't break it at any time of day. Take a look at the month. We have 12 hours corresponding to 12 months. There's a little window outboard of each index, and then there's that little red jumper, and that will indicate the month. So you can see right there, 9/1, that's September. Up, now it's August 31st. Now it's September. See how that works? Very simple. One more click counterclockwise. Now I can move the local hour hand forward and backwards. I can even drive the date forward but not backwards. Note, I'm not affecting the minute, not stopping the seconds, not displacing the second time zone. Now turn it all the way over. Now we activate hacking seconds, and I have the ability to adjust everything. So what you want to do is set your 24-hour zone, then set your minutes, go back, set your local hour, that's the hour where you are, go back, set your calendar to whatever it is, one more. Now screw the crown in, your Sky-Dweller is set. And this watch is full of nuance. Hands, Rolex crown and indices in rose gold, so they will never tarnish or oxidize. Cyclops eye magnifier in sapphire on the sapphire crystal with a little bit of box profile to the sapphire itself. So reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details of possibly the most in-demand version of the Sky-Dweller, a watch launched in 2012, never hotter than it is now. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a Certified Pre-Owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.